In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Go High Level. Managing your contacts effectively is crucial for maintaining an organized CRM, and sometimes this means removing outdated or unnecessary entries. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the Go High Level website. Simply type Go High Level into your search bar. You'll see a series of results, and among them, look for the official website, which is www.gohighlevel.com. Give that link a click to proceed. Now that you've reached the Go High Level login page, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. If you typically save passwords in your browser or use a password manager, this step should be quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your CRM. From the dashboard, take a look at the menu options. You should see a section labeled Contacts. Click on this to enter the Contacts area. This is where you'll find all the contact entries currently saved in your CRM. Next, it's time to identify the contact or contacts you want to delete. Depending on your needs, you can either select a single contact by clicking their name, or, if you're looking to remove multiple entries, use the checkbox feature to select several at once. If you need to delete all contacts visible on your current page, there's an option for that as well, which can be quite handy for bulk deletions. After the appropriate contacts are selected, look toward the top of the contact list. Here, you'll find a trash can icon, which symbolizes the delete function. Click this icon when you're ready to proceed with the deletion. Now, Go High Level will ask for confirmation to ensure you're certain about permanently removing the selected contact information. You'll be prompted to type the word delete in a confirmation text box. This step is crucial because it acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions, which could result in losing important contact data. After typing delete, click the delete button to finalize the removal process. And there you have it. The selected contacts have been successfully deleted from your Go High Level CRM. By following these steps, you can ensure that your CRM stays neat and organized, only containing contact information that is relevant and up to date. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.